So here we go. This is the final spin, and I'm going to talk all the way through the video so you get an idea. Now, the phone is approximately halfway between me and the washing machine. So we're probably about 10 to 12 inches away from the washing machine and about 10 inches away from my mouth. So as I speak, you can hear again, as I leave the room, I'm speaking at the same tone of voice, and I'm now 6 inches away from my mouth and probably 12 feet away from the unit, or the washing machine. And before, where you probably couldn't hear me, I was saying that I was 10 inches away from the phone, and the phone was 10 inches away from the machine. And again, as we get back towards the laundry room, you really can see that the noise level is really something that probably should have been noted to the buyer, because that is really, in a small unit like this, a pretty obtrusive sound. So there you go.